In this quick video, I want to show you how to use DeepSeek and its reasoning model DeepSeek R1. It's available only to paid users with a plan that costs $200 a month for unlimited access. That's the version I use right now. However, DeepSeek is free to use. You can download it and even install it locally on your computer or use it directly on their website. DeepSeek is from a Chinese startup and was just released a few days ago. To get started, go to deepseek.com, where you'll see the option for free access to DeepSeek Ukiri. You can also access DeepSeek R1, which is a more advanced reasoning model. I signed up for a free account, and right here I can start a chat with DeepSeek. If you've used ChatGPT before, the interface is very similar. Just type in your question or prompt, then send it out. To use the R1 reasoning model, click on the DeepSeek R1 option. This will help with reasoning-related problems. Let's test it out with a complex prompt. How can you prove your reality is real and not a simulation? I'll send this off and show you the speed of the response on the website. First, DeepSeek does some thinking, just like a human would. The more complicated the question, the more thinking is required. You can minimize this thinking phase or open it up to see how it works through the problem. Once it's done, the final answer will appear in the white section. In this case, it took 22 seconds to generate a response. DeepSeek gave a profound philosophical answer, stating that there's no definitive proof of reality being real. It explains its reasoning behind the answer too, which is pretty cool. What's really interesting about DeepSeek is its ability to combine reasoning with web search. This is something that isn't possible in the ChatGPT R1 model yet. Let's try an example. NVIDIA recently had a drop in share price. Is this a good time to buy? I'm not giving investment advice, but I want to show you how DeepSeek combines reasoning and web search. When I enable web search, it finds results for NVIDIA's stock price from today. It combines that with its reasoning to give a relevant answer. In this case, it found data from January 27th to 28th, showing that NVIDIA's stock is down 14 to 18%. Then it analyzes the situation and concludes that while the drop reflects short-term fears, NVIDIA's long-term growth remains intact. It suggests the dip could be a buying opportunity for those willing to take on risk. It's fascinating to see how DeepSeek combines both real-time web search and deep reasoning to generate an informed response. If you want to dive deeper into AI tools like this, I've been building an educational platform. We recently merged with Futurepedia, one of the leading AI platforms out there. You'll get access to over 20 different courses on the most popular AI tools. We even offer a 14-day AI bootcamp to get started. You can try it out for free with a trial. I'll link it below. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.